when
What's
they
like
were young?
the first step of whacking then?
extension이라고 할 수 있어. As long as you can. And yeah, but like most of the time, it's like whack. You know.
Okay.
Extend with style.
Yeah. I'll practice in the hotel room.
All right, you already know what it is. Sserafim, crazy. You saw the teasers. You saw all the teasers. My God, there was that one where it stopped, like it started loading, and it kind of tricked me. I was actually talking about it with a few friends today. But Sserafim, crazy just came out. Music video and all in 4K. I'm ready. Are you ready? Be sure to check out my Ultimate Bias K-pop cast. We just had an interview with Chungha. Link in the description. Go check it out.
Go back.
Sorry.
back.
Go back.
Touch your shoulder. And then twist it.
Oh my God.
I feel like this song's for the clubs. I feel like this song's for voguing. I feel like you already know. Without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh my God. Ooh.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girly girls.
Was that Lil Jon? What? Wait, what? Oh my God, I thought my computer was like tripping. Oh hell nah, they tricked me.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Woo. Bro, say what you want about Sserafim. They got bangers. Anyways, let me stop pausing. Ooh. Thunderbolt, I said I would stop pausing, but a lot. She said Pikachu, I had to stop. Hey! What is this? This is fire already. Woo! Bro. Off the bat. Oh! You saw that? You saw that drop? You saw that drop? Wait, what? Bro, there is so much. Okay, I gotta stop pausing. I gotta just keep on watching. But there's so many iconic moments here that I have to like just think. Like, what is that? Ooh, how's it gonna drop? It's gonna drop.
An angel and dress like crazy.
Yeah.
Act like an angel and dress like crazy.
Is that soap with jellyfish? Act like an angel, just like crazy. Girls, the girls are girly, girly. What is this? Okay, this might be one of my favorite MVs. Ooh, that wave too. Woo. Like, Okay. This Chaewon. Okay. I love the dances, by the way. Whoa. Okay, Miss Ma'am. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Did the quality go down on purpose? Bro, they tripping.
Look an angel and dress like crazy.
Woo! Hey, they in their bag. Ah, shit! Da, 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 da. Hey. That death drop though. Woo! In the aquarium too. The girls are girly. Oh my God, this is everything. Meaningless. What the hell? Bro, like I said, say whatever you want about Sserafim. Banger after banger after banger after banger after banger. Run that shit back. Like off the bat.
Act like an angel, just like
Iconic.
crazy. Oh, the girls
Woo.
are calling, calling. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girls are calling, calling. Oh, the girly girls. Act like an angel, just like crazy.
God, off the bat, just the audio itself,
Yeah.
already addicted. Music video, it has to have multiple looks. Like Pikachu. Ooh. Oh, the nails too. Is this like a spa too? That's a I love this shot, especially with the reflections of the lamps. The lampshades. Bro, they know where to work. Sserafim. That's trippy. Not the death drop from the soap slip. Ah! What? Act like an angel, just like crazy.
Act like an angel, just like crazy.
Alright, enough. Whew. Get a drink of water.
All the girls are calling, calling. All the girls are calling, calling. All the girls are calling, calling. All the calling girls.
I be feeling like I'm in a club. In the club. Oh, I love that.
All the girls are calling, calling. All the girly girls. Back in the days, 미치매 미치지 못해서 미.
Woo.
더 이상 내 끌림 앞에 거치지는 않지.
Hey, hey.
또 무슨 가치 가는 건 불가능 이젠 또 shit.
Damn.
별소리 누님을 거스라도 저 태양의 kiss my.
Galileo. The little. Ooh. Ooh, that little pause. This is crazy. Whoever directed and edited the music video went ham. Ooh, shout out to the dancers, by the way. Iconic. All the girls are curling, curling. Ooh. They serving, bruh. This is crazy. Wow. Damn. All 10s across the board. That's all I gotta say. Put a comment down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Again, I have interview with Chungha if you guys are interested. I also have an interview with DPR Ian and I am from Monsta X at Ultimate Bias K-Popcast. Link in the description down below.
Everyone, once in a while, they were like, mother to me. I'm like, why am I your mother?
It's a great thing.
It's a good
Why?
thing. It's like the top.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
It's like being called iconic, but it's like mother.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
It's
Thank
really
you. I
hard
didn't know.
to be called a mother. Anyways, question is, how do you feel that millions of people are calling you mother right now in K-pop?
Overwhelmed, I guess.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel so thankful.
Okay.
It's a good thing. Don't worry.
It is a great thing. It's a great thing.
Like,
great
am I
thing.
old now?
No, it's never meant that. I can see that.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.